Blessed Mary of the Passion writes, humility begets love. It is a voice that forever cries out, he must increase, I must decrease. I want to die that he may live. This is an absolute truth, and one who understands this possesses the secret of perfect love. By following in the heroic footsteps of my seraphic father, may I plunge myself into the unity of love. Grant that I may die to myself and to all that is not good. As we are continuing our journey of Advent in preparation to celebrate the Nativity of Jesus, John the Baptist, one of the greatest and last prophet, invites us to open our hearts and change our ways. In him, the messenger and message blend well as he walks the talk. Are we convinced of our call? If so, let us become a living witness to Christ, just like John the Baptist and our seraphic father, Saint Francis of Assisi.
Welcome, dear friends, to the Advent with Saint Francis. Mother Church gives us the Gospel according to Saint Mark, chapter 1, verses 1 to 8, for our reflection for second Sunday of Advent. In the Gospel passage, we hear about Saint John the Baptist. He proclaims, "Prepare the way of the Lord, make straight his path." It is important to understand that before St. John the Baptist goes to offer advice to others, before he corrects others' paths, he corrects his own path. And how he does so? He goes to wilderness. He spends time in solitude and recollection where he can connect with God. He also chooses a lifestyle that matches his vocation. He wears camel skin and eats what is available. During this Advent, when I think of Saint Francis, I feel that he is very much similar to Saint John the Baptist in many ways. Like John the Baptist, Saint Francis received a call, and the call was to repair the church. But before Saint Francis could give this message to the church, he first repaired his own life. How did he do so? He chose a lifestyle that was matching his vocation. He spent time in mountains praying to the Lord. He wore a habit made out of sack, girded with a rope. He served the lepers and many other things. His lifestyle matched his vocation, and thus he was able to give a message to the church and to each one of us. During this Advent season, St. John the Baptist and St. Francis of Assisi teach us that our lifestyle should match our call. May our life and our actions match our vocation. May God bless each one of us.